The highly anticipated DJI Osmo Action 5 camera has been delayed, pushing its release to early September. This strategic move sets the stage for a thrilling showdown with the GoPro Hero 13, a rival action camera that has been making waves in the industry. As the Action 5 prepares to enter the market, enthusiasts and professionals alike are eagerly awaiting its arrival, wondering if it will live up to the hype. With a slew of exciting new features, the Action 5 is poised to make a significant impact. However, question remains, can it outdo its formidable competitor, the GoPro Hero 13? The delay has only added to the suspense, building anticipation for the ultimate showdown between these two action camera giants. As the release date approaches, one thing is certain, the action camera landscape is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Similarities with Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 5 inherits its predecessor's design DNA, retaining the same form factor, aperture value, field of view, and sensor size as the Action 4. This consistency ensures a seamless transition for users familiar with the Action 4's ergonomics and capabilities. However, the Action 5 introduces a new sensor, hinting at potential improvements in image quality, low-light performance, or enhanced features. Although the exact nature and extent of these sensor upgrades remain unclear, this change suggests DJI's commitment to refining the Action series' imaging capabilities. By building upon the established foundation of Action 4, Action 5 aims to deliver a refined and enhanced user experience, even if the exact benefits of the new sensor are yet to be fully disclosed. New features. Camera software has been upgraded with new tracking features, allowing for more precise and smooth footage. Additionally, the Action 5 can now film in a 9:16 aspect ratio, making it ideal for social media content creation. The dual HDR OLED touchscreens provide a crisp and vibrant display, while the ability to film full 360 horizon study in 4K is a significant advantage. Other upgrades. The DJI Osmo Action 5 takes a significant leap forward with its ability to link with the DJI mic, unlocking enhanced audio capabilities. This powerful combination enables users to capture high-quality sound with increased clarity and precision, elevating their content to new heights. Furthermore, the Action 5 boasts an extended battery life of up to 4 hours, allowing for uninterrupted footage capture. This increased battery life ensures that you can focus on capturing the perfect shot, without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, the Action 5 comes with a new mini-sized mount designed for effortless attachment to various objects. This compact mount expands the camera's versatility, enabling users to capture unique perspectives and angles with ease. With these features, the Action 5 offers a seamless and enhanced user experience, perfect for content creators and adventurers alike. Comparison with GoPro Hero 13. While the Action 5 has some notable upgrades, it seems to lack significant improvements over the Action 4. In contrast, the GoPro Hero 13 boasts a wider range of features, including new lenses and HDMI output. The Hero 13 appears to be the more comprehensive camera. The Action 5's unique features and DJI's reputation for quality may still make it a compelling choice. Verdict. The battle for action camera supremacy has never been fiercer, with the DJI Osmo Action 5 and GoPro Hero 13 vying for dominance. As you consider which camera to add to your arsenal, it's essential to carefully evaluate your specific needs and preferences. Both contenders boast unique strengths and weaknesses, making a thorough assessment crucial. The Action 5's innovative features and DJI's reputation for quality may sway some users, while others may prefer the Hero 13's comprehensive feature set and established brand reputation. To ensure you make an informed decision, we'll be publishing an in-depth review of Action 5, delving into its capabilities, performance, and value proposition. Stay tuned for our expert analysis and discover which camera reigns supreme for your particular requirements.